made me believe that we find someone here in the afterglow. Open your heart, open your mind tonight. Not even a storm can tame this heart on fire. Just make me believe in love when you're gone, forever after. Just make me believe that we find someone here in the afterglow. Just make me believe in love when you're gone, forever after. Just make me believe that we find someone here in the afterglow. Here in the afterglow. Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? 'Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need someone. You found your peace no matter where you are. You will find happiness somewhere. You will make it back out there. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dream's been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned. Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here?